Hello and welcome to the channel and to Wagtail Country Park near Grantham in Lincolnshire. We're here just for 2 nights. We arrived yesterday and we've only got 1 full day here before we travel back home. So me and Karen are going to be going out and about today. Not sure what we're doing, but there's a couple of places that look interesting, so we'll probably visit them. So if you want to join us, please, Karen, watch this video and we'll see you when we're out and about. I'll just have my breakfast and get ready and then we'll be on our way. Looks like it's going to be a nice day as well. Fingers crossed. Bye for now. We are here at Belton House, which is a National Trust property. Never been, it's only about 4.5 miles from actual site. So we thought we'd visit it, seeing as we're National Trust members. Opens at 9:30 and house is open at 11. So we'll be going into house as well. So we're going out gardens first.
May as well.
Might as well, haven't we?
Well, while it's dry,
yeah. Yeah, while it's dry. Thing is, you get free parking as well, don't you? So you don't have to pay for parking either. Yeah. When you're a National Trust member. Quite a biggish area though, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's plenty to explore there.
There is.
So there's Belton House. Not a bad little pad, is it? This is a good bit of parkland to it, hasn't it? So we go through that way into the stable yard. Very nice going there. Garden and toilets this way.
Sure.
Sounds very busy around here. Cafe's certainly busy. Right, entrance to the gardens. So here we have the gardens. Got your glass house at far end. So that's the back of the house. Yeah, it is. So we definitely haven't been before.
I can't remember it. I can't remember if we've been before. I can't remember.
No.
Oh, we're doing well.
We've not been anywhere near Grantham, any houses or anything. I don't think we've been to Belvoir. We'll have to do it many years ago.
Yeah.
Which is a private house, isn't it? It's not a trust house, is it? So we'll have a look in that little church over there. I'm going in the church. It's got a pigeon door, hasn't it? Stop the pigeons going in. Is it a sweet little church? Sweet little church. Yeah, it went to bad age back in 1679, 89 and 70. In memory of John Cust, 1st Earl Brownlow, Viscount Alford. Lovely ceiling, isn't it? Henry John Cockayne Cust, born the 10th of October 1861, died 2nd of March 1917. So that's inside the little church. A very sweet little church. Nice little band, isn't it? Inside the glass house. Certainly warm in here. It's very nice, isn't it, in here? Very lush and green.
Just look up, it's a flower.
Yeah. They're very nice gardens, aren't they?
I love the garden.
Yeah. It's not quite as pretty from the back, the glass house. Beautiful roses. Some beautiful blossom trees there. So we into the parkland here, I don't know. No? Just about garden, that's all. I'll get a few steps in today anyway. Right, so we've been places we've been on this trip.
Oh, they've been
Yeah,
gorgeous.
they have, haven't they? Yeah. Sundale. Right, so we'll walk up towards the house. Looks like people are in it now, so it must be open. There's only a few rooms, I think, to look round. There we are. Well, I must admit, another lovely place. Well worth a visit if you're in the area. Beautiful. Yeah, we'll go and do the house first. We got through there. There you go. Right, we'll go and have a look in the house. This is the entrance. They call it Marble Hall.
And it's worthwhile just sticking your head over that rope and having a look.
Very nice. Paintings stored for while they're restoring places. Then.
Yeah, it's while they're doing it staircase.
Yeah.
Tell you what, your heart would be in your mouth, won't it?
I know. I would, yeah. It's a really good view. It's quite a narrow house, isn't it? So this is looking down into the chapel, but you can get in there, I don't know. Servant staircase would just come up. This is Janny's bedroom.
Yeah. Cosy, isn't it?
It's normally plaster of wood.
No, what is it? It's one we do.
Looks like torture.
Oh, the chair. It's an odd shape, isn't it? I mean, that's like a...
The anteroom.
Anti-library.
Ante-library.
Don't know what anti-library
No.
is.
So it was originally a dressing room, but he had that many books he converted it into another library. So this is the library.
Yeah. Before he made the answer.
Before he made the anti-library. A good boudoir, this one, isn't it? Nice ornate ceiling.
Well, that's it. I said, but I thought we are.
This is Windsor bedroom.
Yes.
That's the staircase down there.
Waiting for it to sell.
Oh, I can't read it. I do play.
Quick, push me up.
Nice staircase. So this is the study.
Shooting ducks. Too heavy to carry.
He did have enough books, didn't he? Yes, he did have a good collection of books. The tapestry room. Well, there's more rooms than I thought because he only said a few rooms, didn't he? Red drawing room under restoration. Mm.
Do you think you've been in before?
So this is the dining room. Just trying to read. Very nice dining room. So it wants a double height kitchen.
It was redesigned as a state dining room.
Oh, so it was once the kitchen. That's a good punch bowl. Lord Lieutenant's hat and plume. I can't read rest because I haven't got the proper glasses on. Suitcases, yeah.
Stories too.
Yeah. Yeah, those were the days. No, they had servants to carry them, didn't they? They weren't chucked on our airport carousel by baggage handlers. This is the exit then, yeah. There it was. Right, so that's inside a Belton House. Really enjoyed it in there. Yeah, very interesting.
Yeah.
So we need to go back that way, don't we?
Yeah. Well.
No, that way.
Yeah.
Back into the gardens. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it was lovely.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah. I mean, 10 minutes away from
Yeah,
Sart.
yeah. So we're going to walk up this way now. Yes, it's well worth a visit, isn't it? If you're in the area.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Yeah. So we'll walk along this nice long straight path. Tell you what, I bet you can walk some miles through this estate as well.
I bet you can.
This probably does circle back round to where church were. Nice bluebells in there. Yeah, I've gone over. So we're on the right path for the pond walk. Active bees, take care. Take it must be in that tree somewhere. Yeah. I can see water. I can see water. So this must be the fishing lodge up here. Duck under the trees. That's your fishing lodge. You're not coming on the fishing lodge veranda? Hey, noisy geese. Swan's chasing it off, I think. As you can see, that would be the cascade if it had more water in the lake. Well, that's another National Trust place we've not been to before, isn't it?
We're knocking them off.
We are knocking them off. Joyce has been retired. So we're out into the open now. That's them wild rhododendrons, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big bullies, aren't they? Well, that's another video diary of places we've been, isn't it? That's not coming to flower yet, that one. Still got buds on it, yeah. Let's look at the fishing house. So we'll go back down towards the house now. There's certainly some paths to walk, isn't there? Right, so that's the front of Belton House, and that's the stables on the left hand side there, with the cafe, bookshop and plant sales. So I'm taking that would have been the main driveway up to the house, which split like into a horse shaped round and took you all the way to the front of the house. Right, so that's us look around a Belton House. Hope you've enjoyed it with us. We're going home tomorrow. I think we're just going to have a little drive around, so it'll not be very interesting to make a video out of unless you get somewhere decent. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in another video from somewhere else, because I'm not sure what we're going to do next or when we're going away, but there will be a video coming. So I'd like to thank you for watching this one, and if you want to please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell, because it'll tell you when we've uploaded some more videos from our adventures. I'd like to thank you for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.